The Absolute Truth is powerful, formal, distant, and transcendental. So in that sense, God, or the Absolute Truth, Krishna, is grand and majestic, godlike. This is one angle of seeing Krishna's Leela and understanding it. That's called Aishvarya Vichara, or the consideration of the wealth and the opulence, or the existence, the absolute reality of the underlying all the sweet, charming, intimate, human-like Leelas of Radha and Krishna and the gopis. So Leela, Krishna he's having romantic, amorous enjoyment with these gopis. So the foundation of this seemingly material love affair, the foundation is all these transcendental truths. That's why it's very important. So Leela, Krishna's Leela must rest on the foundation of truth and tattva, spiritual truth and philosophy. Pastimes and philosophy combine to produce clarity of understanding and pure, offenseless minds and hearts enable the sadhaka to slowly enter fully into the divine realm of rasa bliss forever in Sridham Vrindavan. So this is the whole idea why Acharyas, Shukamuni in the Sanskrit shlokas, he's speaking this absolute nature and then sometimes a sweet nature to educate us and to purify us and keep us balanced.